Hello and welcome to another episode of TC Finds. I'm Tyler Dylan Cox, and today I'm supposed to be at work, see. But I just got home. My 06, my blue dually, you've seen before. I cracked the transmission that's only 10,000 miles, no, 4,000 miles old, not very old. And it's stuck on the side of the road with my Bobcat, my dump trailer. So I needed something to tow it. Well, my Hemi truck needs a cam and lifter, so I have got to now go get it with this. This is my 01 I've had for a long time, 13 years, something like that. And it needs a head gasket, but we're just gonna fill it with water. That's fine. So we just threw a hot battery in it. It's been storage unit, so we gotta unload it. But hopefully she just fires to life like old Dodges do, and it'll work.
It's alive! Because his head's too fat to fit one.
You know what we gotta do is turn the key. It's happening! Beauty is only skin deep. Ugly goes to the bone. Full of stuff. That was all from a truck I sold and gate openers and things. Okay. Do we have life? Oh, we have life. 429 on it. Come on, baby. Oh, connection. Take two. Really? What the heck? Guess I gotta bleed it. So I cracked these injectors and I'm not seeing fuel. I don't even remember. I think I should be hearing my lift pump, and I'm not. Ugh. That's no good, boys. We have a hint of fuel back there. So let's see if we get fueled at these guys here. Hopefully. It was just a tickle of the cleaner to make it meaner. Let's see. Come on, baby. No, come on. I just remembered I robbed fuses. So I robbed fuses, so I bet that's why she's not starting. So I just need to see what I robbed. Fuses replaced. Oh, there goes my lift pump. Haha. We're in business. Let me close up those injectors. Here we go. Oh, yeah, boy. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah. There she is. First start in probably 2-ish years. Okay, we'll put the air cleaner back on. Go to the ranch, get all this unloaded. Hit the road. First things first, though, I just stuck that wheel stud in there because it's pushing out water. So we gotta keep the water in the unit, see? Because this is blown, the head gasket's blown, and that is empty. So we're gonna fill it with water and go from there. Oh yeah, do we have AC? I hope so. Oh yeah, we still got AC. Oh, we still got transmission. Okay. Do we have forward still? Okay. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. Never mind. I probably can't drive it. That's bad. Whoa, that's bad. Whoa, that's bad. I gotta turn it off and get it in. Sugar. Never mind. We are not doing that. That was a fun idea while it lasted. But yeah, something's hurt. Something's hurt really bad. Oh, geez. That was bad. That was real bad. Luckily, I need to move this truck down here anyway. But geez, was that bad. Okay. Well, this defeats my plan. We'll pick back up later. I think I know where that goes. So now we're at plan C or S. Suburban. Don't want this to be my plan, but need to move the 06. So yeah, it's having to take Suburban. Because my brother's truck, who saved the day multiple times before, it's in the body shop. So we're down to the Suburban out of 77 cars. That's fine. Okay. I was going to take the Suburban, but then I passed a friend of mine, and my son actually works for me, and I knew he had an extra truck that I could maybe use, and he did. Thankfully. The Rowdy Bowdy Mobile. Farm truck if you ever seen one. But this thing drives pretty good, all things considered, with that type of mileage on the clock. So this is gonna allow me to pull my gooseneck, deliver the Dodge to get that fixed. So we're seeing, there's a light now. There's a light at the end of the tunnel, and I don't have to abuse the Suburban before I go on all these long road trips, which is really what I didn't want to do. So we'll get hooked on and go get the 06. All right, guys. It's hot here. We got it loaded. My buddy took the dump trailer. And now I'm taking this to the transmission shop. But let me show you what it did. If you look under here and look right there, see, that's not supposed to be that way. That's already cracked. I've been needing to fix. That's definitely bad. So we're gonna take it. Hopefully it's under warranty. I gotta look at my receipt. If not, I'm gonna give them a hard time anyway. So let's get this thing to the transmission shop. And maybe we'll go to work. Going to work is sounding worse and worse. Not batting an eye. Just take that in for a second. Oof. So this has been here since I was last here with Blue. It's the correct year to be a donor motor. I wonder how many miles it has. $463,000. Oof da me. Dang. Okay, well maybe it's not a good donor.
Hey, you gotta do it a few times.
Yeah? Finally started up. honestly not terrible. Huh. Oh, it's the no one. Thoughts? Now, finally go to work. Ugh. Nothing's happening. Yep, hold on. And there you are. Isn't that right, Big C? Borrowed his daddy's truck. Started the day in a Dodge, ended in a Dodge. Sun is setting over these hill country, north Texas hills. So moral of the story is, what's the moral of the story, Cody? Don't do brown work. See you next time. Hi, I'm Tyler Dylan Cox, and I am your lead host on the hit YouTube television show TC Finds. And our big 2,000 subscriber announcement is that we are going to Tucson, Arizona for the duct tape drags, and we are bringing the Super Sammy.
Be there or be square. See you there.
We're in it to win it or lose either way.